Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this latest video I'm going to show you that how to move Instagram chats to general. So before we start, just make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. First of all, just simply open up your Instagram app and then tap at this messenger icon on the top right corner. Just select that specific chat which you want to move to general section. In this section, just simply select the chat and then tap on its name on the top, and then tap at chat controls and tap at move. So that's how you can easily move your specific chat to general. Now let's check it. Come back and tap at general. So here you can see we have just added this chat to general. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave in comment section below and I'll be catching you on the next video. And if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, and I recommend you to check the latest video on the end screen. Hey, just wait, where are you going? Make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, bye till the next video.